Well, this is the last full session of the European Parliament for 2015. It's been an interesting year, a busy year, and in many ways a very difficult year. We've had the crisis in Greece and of course the refugee crisis and the summit on climate change, the discussion on radicalisation and terrorism. And so this week has been as busy as any other week during the year. But of course, while we are here in Strasbourg, the leaders of Europe will be meeting tomorrow in Brussels for the summit. The summit at which no decision on the UK will be made, but David Cameron will be putting forward his proposals for reform. And so we'll be coming back to Parliament in 2016. Ready for a referendum whenever that will be called. And what we all have to talk about and consider is where Wales will be better off and how we improve communities in Wales. And I firmly believe that we do that within the European Union. So we will be having a debate. I hope that everyone, all organisations, local authorities, youth groups, church groups, everyone will become involved in that debate, because we are going to be making a decision that will affect Wales for generations to come. So until then, I wish everyone a very happy Christmas and a very peaceful and successful New Year.